Alright, let me tell you something wild. I woke up thinking we'd get just another ordinary robot update, maybe a firmware bump, maybe a cute dance routine. Nothing crazy. But nope, LimX showed up like, hey, what if we casually drop 3 major upgrades at once and change the entire direction of humanoid robots? And honestly, I did not expect this. So let's start with the one that instantly grabbed everyone's attention. Oli can now hold a full conversation, not button prompts, not canned lines, actual back and forth talking. In the video, the operator says things like, turn 90 degrees and take 2 steps. And Oli responds with this calm, matter-of-fact voice like, sure, also, I can write poems and make jokes. Bro, poems? We have officially entered that point where robots don't just follow instructions, they charm you. And before you ask yes, it speaks English. One commenter literally went, oh wait, it can. The internet is hilarious. But it's what LimX quietly added in the corner of the video that made me pause. A disclaimer saying the voice service is based on a large model system and performance might vary. It's probably using cloud reasoning, which explains why some people were like, did they cut out the thinking time? Still, it's a huge step because we're watching a $30,000 robot behave like a full conversational companion. Now, the second update is where the robotics world collectively sat forward. They took Oli to a construction site. Loose sand, jagged rocks, wobbly planks. Basically a robot obstacle course designed by someone who hates bipedal machines. And then it happens. Oli steps on a massive protruding rock and straight up stumbles. Not a fall, a legitimate stumble, the kind of my foot slipped but I'm pretending I meant to do that move humans do all the time. And somehow, Oli recovers. It plants a quick step into a pile of debris to catch its balance, and the whole internet goes, wait, robots aren't supposed to save themselves like that. Even Chris Paxton from Agility Robotics commented, Oli here remains a top humanoid to watch. When your competitor publicly compliments your robot, you know you've done something right. Sure, some people complained that it wasn't looking down, but honestly, even that criticism proves something big. We're now expecting robots to anticipate danger, not just react to it. That's how high the bar has gotten. But let me show you the update that broke the comment section in half, the new unboxing process. For decades, unboxing a humanoid robot looked like prepping a patient for surgery. Cranes, straps, engineers everywhere. LimX said, yeah, let's not do that anymore. In the new video, Oli is shipped sitting inside a molded flight case like it's taking a quiet nap. 2 people open the lid, slide in a battery, and that's it. The robot wakes up, unfolds itself, and stands up on its own like it's stretching after a long flight. One robotics founder even posted, the robot quietly sits in the box and can come out by itself now. Huge progress. And he's right, because this is the part nobody talks about. Humanoids won't go mainstream if they require a whole pit crew just to turn them on. LimX just got rid of that friction completely. When you combine all 3 updates, natural language voice control, rugged outdoor recovery, self-standing from a shipping case, Oli suddenly stops feeling like a lab prototype and starts feeling like a product. Not a teaser, not a research demo. A real platform aimed at innovators, builders, and anyone who wants a humanoid without selling their house. Sub $30,000, walks on debris, stands up by itself, talks to you in plain English. Yeah, I get why the robotics world is freaking out. This isn't a small update. This is the moment humanoids start leaving the lab and inching toward everyday life. And honestly, if this is what LimX is doing in 2025, 2026 might get very, very interesting.